If you're just getting into XRP or crypto in general, this video could honestly save you a lot of money and frustration. See, the crypto world's amazing, but it also attracts scammers like crazy. And let's be real, they're getting more sophisticated by the day. Scammers love targeting beginners. They know you're still learning, still getting familiar with the terms, tools, and platforms. And they design their scams to look official, like something Ripple or a legit crypto project would do. They use the right logos, the right colors, even the right language to trick you. So today I'm breaking down the top 5 XRP scams that target beginners, and how to avoid getting wrecked. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share 5 solid rules to keep your crypto safe, no matter what chain you're on. Let's make sure you keep more of your hard-earned money where it belongs, in your pocket. Let's start with probably the most common one, fake XRP giveaways. These are everywhere, on Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, even in YouTube comment sections under real crypto videos. You'll see something like, Ripple is giving back to the community. Send 1,000 XRP and get 10,000 XRP back instantly. They throw in a slick-looking graphic, a fake Brad Garlinghouse interview, and a countdown timer to make you think it's legit. They prey on your excitement, your desire to get in early on something big. But let me tell you, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. These giveaways are designed to exploit one thing, your trust. They want you to believe that by sending a small amount, you'll magically receive a much larger amount back. Here's the deal. No legit company, not Ripple, not Binance, not anyone, will ask you to send crypto first, ever. Think about it. If they were giving away XRP, why would you need to send anything first? It just doesn't make sense. It's a trick to exploit greed and FOMO. They know people are eager to make a quick buck in the crypto space, and they use that to their advantage. Don't fall for it. And once you send it, it's gone. You're sending it to an anonymous address, and there's absolutely no way to reverse the transaction. It's like sending cash to a stranger in the mail and expecting them to send you back double. It's just not gonna happen. There's no undo button on the blockchain. That's the beauty and the risk of crypto. It's decentralized, which means there's no central authority to reverse transactions. So, be absolutely sure before you hit that send button. Remember, legitimate giveaways will never ask you to send crypto first. If you're unsure, it's always best to err on the side of caution and avoid it altogether. There are plenty of legitimate ways to get involved in the XRP ecosystem without falling for these scams. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and don't let greed cloud your judgment. Next up, phishing wallets and fake websites. These scams are sneaky. You think you're logging into a real XRP wallet site, but it's a near-perfect clone built to steal your info. They're designed to look identical to the real deal, making it easy to fall for their tricks. They'll copy sites like Shum, a popular XRP wallet, Ledger, or even major exchanges like Binance. They'll use the same logos, the same fonts, even the same URL structure, just with a slight variation that's easy to miss. They'll send you links through DMs, tweets, or even paid ads. You click, enter your info, and boom, you've handed over access to your XRP. They often create a sense of urgency, saying things like, your account has been compromised or you need to verify your information immediately to pressure you into acting quickly. Pro tip, always double check the URL. And I mean letter by letter. Look for any misspellings, any extra characters, anything that seems even slightly off. Scammers often use similar looking characters or domain extensions to trick you. Bookmark the real wallet and exchange sites, and only use those. That way you'll always know you're going to the correct website. Don't rely on links from emails, DMs, or social media, and don't ever connect your wallet or sign a transaction unless you're 100% sure about the source. Take your time, read the details carefully, and if anything seems suspicious, don't hesitate to back out. Remember, legitimate websites will have secure connections. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, and will never ask for your private keys or seed phrase. If a website is asking for this information, it's a major red flag. Stay vigilant, double check everything, and don't let these scammers steal your hard-earned crypto. Check one, check. Now, this one's similar to the first, but more personal. The send one, get 10 trap, often comes from fake influencer accounts or bots pretending to be crypto personalities. They'll use stolen profile pictures, fake bios, and even create fake tweets to make it look like they're the real deal. They'll reply to tweets or comment on YouTube videos with messages like, I just got 5,000 XRP from this airdrop event. All I did was send 500 XRP first. They might even include a screenshot showing a proof of payment to make it look convincing. They'll often target people who are actively talking about XRP or crypto in general, hoping to catch them off guard. But it's all fake. You send your XRP, and no one sends anything back. They're counting on you being blinded by the promise of easy money and not thinking critically about the situation. This scam works because XRP transactions are fast and final. There's no bank to call, no undo button, and definitely no refund department. Once it's gone, it's gone. That's why it's crucial to be extra careful when dealing with any unsolicited offers or messages related to crypto. Remember, if someone is offering you something that sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Legitimate investment opportunities don't involve sending crypto to strangers on the internet. Don't let greed cloud your judgment. Take your time, do your research, and only invest in opportunities that you fully understand and trust. Impersonators on YouTube, Twitter, and even Telegram. You'll see scammers pretending to be Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, David Schwartz, or even other crypto YouTubers. They'll create fake accounts that look almost identical to the real ones, using the same profile pictures, bios, and even posting similar content. Sometimes they'll respond to your comments with stuff like, "You've been selected for an XRP airdrop. DM us to claim." Other times, they'll send fake DMs acting like customer support, offering to help you recover lost funds or verify your wallet. They'll often use urgent language, creating a sense of panic or excitement to pressure you into acting quickly. Here's the reality. Legit support teams don't DM you out of the blue. Real influencers don't ask for your wallet info. They have no reason to reach out to you individually and ask for your personal information. Even YouTube live streams can be fake. They'll loop old Ripple interviews and overlay them with a QR code pretending it's a giveaway. They'll often disable comments on these live streams to prevent people from warning others about the scam. If someone seems too helpful, too generous, or too eager to get you into a limited time deal, walk away. These are all red flags that should make you suspicious. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Double-check the account you're interacting with, look for verification badges, and don't be afraid to report any suspicious activity. Last one, fake airdrops and Telegram scams. These usually go something like, "Claim your free XRP, just join our group and connect your wallet." They'll often use flashy graphics, promises of huge rewards, and even fake testimonials to lure you in. Once you're in, they pressure you to click sketchy links, sign weird transactions, or straight up give them your wallet seed phrase. They'll often create a sense of urgency, saying things like, "This offer is only available for the next 24 hours, or "Only the first 1,000 people to join will qualify." Sometimes they promise you're just verifying your wallet, or that you need to pay a small gas fee to unlock your XRP. But in reality, you're giving them access to your funds, and once they have it, it's gone. Spoiler alert, there is no airdrop. You're being tricked into giving scammers access to your wallet, and once they have that, they can drain it in seconds. They're counting on you being blinded by the promise of free crypto and not thinking critically about the situation. Telegram and Discord are hotspots for this. Be super cautious in those spaces, especially if people are rushing you or dangling free tokens. Don't let the fear of missing out cloud your judgment. Remember, legitimate airdrops will never ask you to connect your wallet or provide your seed phrase. If something feels off, trust your gut and walk away. So how do you stay safe? Here are 5 quick rules that every beginner, honestly every crypto holder, should live by. 1. Use trusted wallets only, like Shum, Ledger, or your exchange's official app. Don't just download the first wallet app you find on the App Store. Do your research, read reviews, and make sure it's a reputable and secure option. 2. Never send crypto to strangers, not even small test amounts. Once it's gone, it's gone. There's no reversing a crypto transaction. 3. Bookmark official sites and avoid clicking random links, especially from DMs or replies. Scammers are getting good at creating fake websites that look identical to the real deal. 4. Never share your seed phrase, not with anyone ever, not even support. Your seed phrase is the master key to your crypto wallet. Anyone who has it has complete control over your funds. 5. Take your time. Scams rely on you acting fast. Pause, breathe, think. Don't let anyone pressure you into making a decision you're not comfortable with. Bonus tip: follow trusted XRP educators and creators and join legit communities. The more you learn, the harder it is for scammers to trick you. Knowledge is power, especially in the crypto space. If this video helped you out, smash that like button so more people don't fall into these traps. Let's help each other out and create a safer crypto community. And hey, I'm learning right alongside you. I keep things simple, honest, and beginner-friendly here. We're all in this together. Remember, stay sharp, stay skeptical, and don't get scammed. Your crypto journey should be exciting and rewarding, not stressful and full of scams. Catch you in the next one.